Car engine oil filter explained. The oil filter's purpose is to keep impurities out of engine oil while maintaining optimal oil circulation, all without interfering with the lubricating process. They are applicable to different types of hydraulic machinery. The device is used in internal combustion engines both on and off-road motor vehicle. What is the oil filter? An oil filter is a filter designed to remove contaminants from engine oil, transmission oil, lubricating oil, or hydraulic oil. Functions of oil filters. Engines produces dirt particles and combustion residues such as dust, metal debris, oil carbons, or etc. Then the oil filters collect these particles from the oil before entering the engine. It cleans the engine oil because consistent engine performance depends on clean oil. Soot gets into the oil, soil, and thickens it. Oil filters consist of several thinning holes that avoid thick oil from the pump into the engine. All moving parts, such as connecting rods, camshaft, and valve train, are protected from wear and damage if the filter functions well. Major parts of oil filters. Tapping plate. A tapping plate is an entry and exit point on the oil filter. It contains small holes around the edge, which allows the free flow of oil into the filter container. The threaded hole at the center is where the oil flows out and it faces the engine. Anti-drainback valve. The oil filter part is a rubber valve with a flap that holds oil from flowing back into the filter when the engine is not running. The filter required this because it's located toward the middle or bottom of an engine. Filter medium. A porous filter medium contains microscopic cellulose fibers and synthetic fibers such as polyester and glass. It helps to increase filtering durability and efficiency. High-performance filters are designed with more synthetic fibers. Pleats. The folded filter medium creates a greater total surface area. Well, the number of pleats will be determined by the medium's thickness. Center steel tube. This oil filter part provides structure to the filter and allows filtered oil to return to the engine. The number, size, and position of holes will ensure the effectiveness of the oil flow and not be restricted. Relief valve. Because oil can be too thick to filter on a cold start, the engine needs to be prevented from starving. An oil filter is designed with a relief valve that opens when enough pressure is produced to force the calibrated spring downward. This allows unfiltered oil into the center tube through the top. Working principle of oil filter. The early manufactured engines did not use oil filters and are even installed with poor quality oil, which causes frequent oil changes. When the invention of the first full-flow oil filtration system was developed, the problem was solved. Conventionally, oil flows through the filter before reaching the moving components inside the engine. The oil enters the device through a series of small holes on the outer edge of the base flange. It then moves through the filter for cleaning, which then eventually returns to the engine through a larger center hole. Most filters nowadays are designed with an anti-drainback valve, mostly in the form of a rubber membrane. This part is often located at the perimeter holes in the base flange. The membrane opens as oil enters the filter case under pressure. When the engine is at rest, this membrane closes the holes. The system valves maintain oil within the filter and prevent engine dry stars. That's for an engine to start with no oil. Modern internal combustion engines are incorporated with a bypass filter, which is known as a secondary oil filter. They protect the engine from starvation under certain situations, i.e. in very cold weather that causes oil to be thick. Bypass oil filter allows such oil to easily pass through it. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now and I'll see you in the next video.